how to connect GameSir Nova Lite to PC with Bluetooth. So your first step is turning on the Bluetooth on your computer. So go ahead and turn that on. When you head into settings, Bluetooth and devices, just flip the switch and turn it on and then pair a new device. So click on the add device option that should be available. Now the next step is putting the controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So when the controller is powered off, enter Bluetooth pairing mode, turn the controller off first before doing that, and then press and hold the B plus home until the home LED flashes blue. If needed, hold the home and screenshot for about 2 seconds to force it back into pairing mode. This is on your controller, that is the GameSir Nova Lite controller. And then the next step is to simply connect it to your computer by adding the device, clicking on add device, and then clicking on the connect option. Now once that's done, you can go ahead and begin testing your controller on your favorite game or Steam to make sure that it actually works. That should fix up your issue. All right.